Have you ever wondered why people don't take you seriously, talk over you, or ignore your opinions? The truth is, respect isn't about being loud, rich, or popular. It's about how you carry yourself. Today, I'll show you the real reasons people don't respect you and exactly how to fix them. And make sure you watch till the end, because the last reason surprises almost everyone. Reason 1. You don't set boundaries. When you let others control your time, you lose respect fast. You might think saying yes makes you helpful, but to others, it means your time isn't valuable. People respect what is limited and ignore what is too available. If you say yes when you want to say no, you train people to walk over you. How to fix it? Start protecting your time. Set small, calm boundaries. Instead of excuses, try saying, "Sorry, I won't be able to do that today." People who get angry when you set boundaries are the ones who profited from you not having any. Reason 2. You talk too much. Listen too little. Some people lose respect because they never stop talking. When you talk more than you listen, others feel their voice doesn't matter. People assume you're insecure or trying too hard to prove something. Respect grows when people feel heard. The smartest people in the room ask more questions than they answer. How to fix it? Speak 30% of the time. Listen 70% of the time. Pause before responding. Listening builds trust faster than any speech. Reason 3. You seek validation too much. When you constantly seek approval, you show people you don't trust yourself. People respect confidence, not begging for reassurance. If every decision needs someone's permission, you give away your power. You can't look strong when your value depends on others' opinions. How to fix it? Practice making small decisions on your own. Build the muscle of self-trust one choice at a time. Respect starts with respecting your own judgment first. Reason 4. You don't keep your word. Promises mean nothing until they become actions. If you say you'll do something and you don't, people stop taking you seriously. Your reliability is one of the strongest measures of respect. How to fix it? Only commit to what you can actually deliver. Even small promises kept build credibility. Your word should feel like a contract. Reason 5. Your body language destroys confidence. People judge you within seconds of seeing you. If you avoid eye contact, slouch, or fidget, you signal low status. Humans are wired to respect what looks strong and grounded. How to fix it? Stand tall with shoulders back. Make calm, steady eye contact. Move with intention, not nervous energy. Reason 6. You try too hard to be liked. If you try to impress everyone, you end up impressing no one. People respect those who are comfortable in their own skin. When you stop needing approval, people start giving it. How to fix it? Stop apologizing unnecessarily. Speak your truth, even if some people don't like it. Being liked is temporary. Being respected is long-term. Reason 7. You avoid responsibility. If you blame others for your problems, you lose respect instantly. People respect those who own their mistakes. Accountability is rare, which is why it stands out. How to fix it? Say, "I was wrong and I'll fix it." That one sentence can instantly raise your image. Reason 8. You let people disrespect you. If someone disrespects you and you stay silent, you tell them it's acceptable. Silence is often interpreted as surrender. You don't need to yell. You just need to speak up. How to fix it? A simple sentence like, "Please don't talk to me like that," can change everything. Calm firmness is more powerful than emotional reaction. Reason 9. You don't respect yourself. The world treats you how you treat yourself. If you accept disrespect from yourself, bad habits, negative talk, others will do the same. How to fix it? Act like someone you would admire. Set personal standards. Respect yourself first, and the world follows. Respect cannot be demanded. It must be earned. Improve how you treat yourself, and others will adjust automatically. Start today with one small decision, one habit, one boundary at a time.